Welcome to Ernie's Garage. If you didn't know, that's a Chevy C10 right there. Buick Grand National, Chevrolet. We use genuine Chevrolet parts, nothing but the best. There's my prices, but it doesn't matter. I don't work for nobody but myself. We got this 95 Z71 turbo diesel. Very, very hard to find. Doing some engine work. There's a turbo. So that's why it's all taken apart, because I'm getting some work done. Exhaust manifold had a leak right there. And it was starting to melt some of the wire harness there. So I took all the wire harness out. That's why I got this all taken apart. It's all taken apart. Wire harness is over here in the bed. Took everything out. Checked every single connector, all the wires. Everything's good. It's ready to go back in. We installed a high performance pump system and filters. You can see that maybe. Let's see. Yeah, not so much, but it's in there. 1500 Z71. Yep. Little bit of rust. Little bit. It's not bad though. It's not bad. So it needs two fenders. A little bit down here on the cab only. The bed's actually pretty good. But we'll get that fixed later. Sometime next year maybe. Right now we're just doing all the mechanical work. But you can see it's not really rusted. Look at all the lines right here. They're in good shape. Nothing's really corroded. It's just a little bit on the fenders and the cab. Looks like a mess right now because I got it all taken apart. Got the exhaust leaks fixed. Got the wires fixed. I gotta get all the intake runners cleaned out because there was a lot of carbon in there. So I'm gonna get that stuff cleaned out and then I get it put back together. Inner fenders are out. That's why this is like that. It's behind the truck right now. But I did that because I need to get the wires out. The idea is to take this bad boy from here, Illinois, Round Lake, Illinois, and drive it all the way to California. Yep. Get all the mechanical work fixed this year. Sometime this early spring, hopefully I'll be done in, I don't know, hopefully a month or so. I can only work on the weekend, so I can't do that much at a time. And get all the mechanic stuff checked, everything. And the goal is to drive from here, Illinois, to California. And if I did my job right, I shouldn't have any issues. That's the plan. Just because I could. Check it out on the inside. It's not bad on the inside. It just needs to get cleaned. It's been sitting for a long time. But yeah. If I like the way it drives, once I'm done with all the mechanic stuff, I'll end up taking it all apart. Take windows out, doors off, hood off, fenders, everything, and paint the whole thing. Drive this around for a while, and then sell it later, once I get tired of it. I think it's pretty neat. My dad used to have a 92 Chevy 4x4, just like this. But it wasn't diesel, it's just gas, 350. We used to drive it from Paris, California to Pismo Beach to the sand dunes. I didn't even know they made these in diesel. Once I found out, I was like, oh man, I gotta have one of those. It's just for the memories. Turbo diesel, 6.5 turbo diesel. And maybe when I'm done with it, I'll sell it. One of you people could buy it off of me. $50,000 when it's done. Yeah, but that's the goal. I'm gonna drive from here to California. Go meet my cousins out there in Garage 79, hopefully. Can make it up the mountains and everything. It'd be nice. Be a nice adventure. See if we could do it. See if we could pull it off. The goal is to fix everything here. And the idea is to drive it across country with no issues. And if we do our job right, we shouldn't have any issues. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. It's going to be a long process. I'll keep you guys updated later.